Hi, Grandpa. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah. See you later.
Hello Dad, Maudie reminded me that it's your birthday soon, so I thought I'd make a video and say happy birthday and I hope you have a nice day and enjoy being old, and yeah.
Nakita ko na ireregalo kay Andrew E. Unang regalo. Ayan, ikaw. Anong masasabi mo? Ha? Gusto mo yan? Ayan, may nakita siya. So, ayan. Pupunta tayo dito sa Hermes. So, ayan. Bibili nga namin ng gifts ang daddy nila nga. Kaya dito kami pupunta. Let's go! Ito yung bibiling ko kay Andrew. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ayan yung bibilhin natin. Help dito. Ayan. Oh. Tapos mga gloves. Dito ko siya binili si Andrew dati ng belt eh. Ayan. Ayan yung sisipag gala-gala. So, ayan ang mga panlalaki dito. Tapos, ayan pa. O, syempre, eto tayo. Ayan lang ang OOTD ko dito. O, diba? Kalain mo makapasok tayo dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Zoe. Ayan. Ay, ni Zoe ni Andrew E. So, game. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday!
What a fantastic...
So, eto nga yung cake ni Mr. Andrew E. O, diba? Alak pa more. Ayan, tapos ayan yung mga gifts niya. At i-open niya na yan. Let's go! Ang ganda ng cake. So, ayan, i-open niya na ang gifts niya. Ayan, happy birthday, Daddy.
Wishes, Dad, to the best.
Wala.
Love, Z and Zach. Thank you, boys. And
Yay.
loving Dad. Especially for you. For happiness the whole day through.
Okay. One more. Ayan, tignan natin anong gifts ng mga boys.
This is strange because I was only thinking... You remember yesterday or the day before? I could do with some new glasses. You know, when they were dirty.
Yeah. And I told you. Okay. Oh,
Tremendous.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Wow, these are good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That's what I wanted to do today. Do you remember?
Yeah. Ayan. Oh. Open it. How is it? How is it, baby?
It feels tremendous and lovely. That's going to
Right.
fit me really well.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. Deserve. As we said, deserve.
I can wear it with jeans. I can wear it
Yeah,
with shorts.
yeah. Anything and
Yeah.
formal, whichever.
Yeah, that's
Diba?
you obviously were listening to me last. Right, and next.
Oh, wow. Baby, there's a card here as well.
Oh, didn't see it. Hold on.
Okay.
Birthday wishes for a lovely dad. Hope your special day brings you lots of great things. Well, it has so far. Zoe, thank you.
Marunong na magsulat si Sam.
Thank you,
She's
Sam.
smiling.
Thank you.
Thank you daw, hug Daddy. Say happy birthday to Daddy. Oh. Oh, hug Daddy, hug Daddy. Ayan pa, isa oh. Oh. Wow. Ayun pa isa. Oh, ayan. Oh, eto na. May card na naiwan.
Birthday wishes for my husband, just for you.
Just for you. Wala. Wala, epic failed. Agoy!
Mr. Poggy.
Ay, wow. O, tignan mo na yung mga gifts mo pa.
This is the one I actually want.
Yeah, that's the one. Show it to them. Show it to them, baby. Ayan. Oh. Okay. Yeah. O, dyan. Kay nanay naman yan. Yeah, that's nanay. Ay, wow. May gift din si
To my
Nice Meat.
favourite son-in-law.
Wala daw.
Happy birthday. Now don't panic, but I did lick the envelope. That's very funny for a British person. You got
Yeah, my mom have a lovely handwriting. Ayan, nanay. Okay. Oh, check ang nanay's gift. Oh, yeah. Oakley dokley, baby Oakley dokley.
totally baguettes.
Ay, wow. Oh, Oakley dokley.
Thank you.
Are you happy, kuya?
Yeah,
Wow,
very happy.
too much gift ang kuya Andrew ah.
Madami.
Yeah, happy birthday, deserving! Happy 26 years old! Ay, wow! Happy birthday. Stand up, baby. Pakita mo yung sash mo. Sash. Ay, wow! O, diba? Suot niya na agad yung damit. May sash pa siya. Happy birthday. In-order namin dito sa Hurricane. Dito kami nagse-celebrate ng birthday ni Mr. Andrew E. Tapos ito naman yung kay nanay. Jamon with the prize. Ayan. Sarap. Kain po tayo. Happy birthday, Kuya Andrew E. Si Zoe. Ano yan, Zoe? Oh, kain na. Kain na, anak. Mainit pa?
No.
Ayan, oh. Kain po tayo. Sarap dito ng foods. Siyempre, ito naman ako. Ayan, nag-uugoy ako ng bata kasi inaantok na to si Sak. So, kailangan natin patulogin. So, ayun, ang ating birthday celebration dito kay Mr. Andrew E. Nasa Dubai Mall pala kami. Ayun. Tay ka, baby. Tay ka. Tay ka. Tay ka, kalate. Wow! Ay, wow! Sisiya!
Happy birthday!
Wow!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Wow!
Celebrating your birthday
Wow.
with us. Happy
Wow!
birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Happy birthday, baby! Blow the candle! Blow it, guys! Yay! Happy birthday! Hi, ate! Yeah, that's why I choose that. Happy birthday, baby! Wow! Ayan ang kanyang cake dito. Ayan, oh. Birthday boy, happy? Happy birthday! Yun lang po ang aming vlog dito sa birthday ng aking one and only husband. Bye! See you sa next vlog. Say bye-bye. So, yay!
Thank you everybody for your well wishes today. It's a great day. Thank you everybody. Take care now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget. Bye bye.